This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the tier and fabric so you know which stitch and reinforcement to use. Once you see the lining and seam, trim loose threads and collect a matching thread and a sharp needle. Make a small knot. Fold or turn the bag so you can work from the inside. This hides stitches. You pin the raw edges together, keeping tension even. This prevents puckering and sets up a clean repair line before you start sewing. You now sew with a backstitch because it creates a continuous, strong seam. Stitch 2 to 3 millimeters apart for durability. Once started, keep stitches consistent. If the fabric is thin, insert a patch under the tier and stitch through both layers so the load spreads. Make sure to overlap the original seam by about 1/2 inch. This avoids new rips. When you hit stress points like corners or strap bases, make a few extra passes to lock the thread. You finish by tying a secure knot close to the fabric and trimming excess thread. Hide the knot inside the seam so it's neat. Once done, press the repaired area flat. Use an iron on appropriate heat or smooth with your hand to set the stitches. Then gently test the bag with a light load. Make sure the repair holds and there are no gaps. If a seam puckers or reopens, restitch with slightly tighter tension or add a larger reinforcing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.